Morning team, it's Tuesday, August 15. Peak summer. In Italy we call it Ferragosto. I don't know what's the English name for this festivity. But yeah, it's well, you got news in New York, so it's good. In Europe, Europe is like bank holiday everywhere, as okay, assumption from Mary. But yeah, we got news in New York, so we can get some price action. Okay. Maybe we get a quiet London Open and then we get some action in New York. Anyway, let's go to charts. So yesterday closed as a red candle again, BMSing once again couple of significant swing lows. So on a daily level, nothing bullish, literally like nothing. Okay, in my opinion. I know we are at support. This is kind of valid on the block and it wasn't tested. So who knows, maybe somebody here managed to push a little bit just to resume lower. But yeah, I don't know. Right now, the recent trend is bearish, like seriously bearish. Hourly charts. Yesterday we said that there was reason to go long into this fair value gap. Fair value gap got tagged and instantly rejected. Okay, let's delete. Yes, now you can say like, hey, there is another fair value gap here. I don't think that this should be filled. I don't know. In my opinion, not. If price is bearish, this one should remain intact because we spent so much time in this area. Like how long? 15 days. It's 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks of price action and a raid BMS, maybe we pull back, but we leave that and we keep going lower. If price is bearish, Michael called this type of fair value gaps breakout fair value gaps. So I think this one shouldn't get filled if we're gonna keep going lower. Many people gonna wait for a pullback. I mean, it's at 50%. I don't know. It can work. I would rather this one not to get filled if we keep going lower. So where it's gonna be like a good bearish area of interest to get in shorts. This is a good question. Well, on H4, the price is like really worked really well. Now we don't have like any big imbalance anymore. H1 maybe just maybe we got this one. We got this kind of origin, which probably on something like 15. Yeah, I know. Yes, I mean, this origin is not fully tested. Okay, they tested this one. Okay, the full origin, but the last of the block wasn't fully tested. So I don't know if we ever decide to go back up here. Yesterday I posted on Twitter something like, if this gives up, if we break, let me show you. This is interesting. This was my post, okay? I say if this origin, if this H1 bearish of the block gives up, we're gonna go back higher, because then this will have become like beautiful AMD could have been. Okay. The fuck, something like that. Oops. And maybe we will have get back higher here. This was my idea, but this one is holding, and so price remain bearish. Also, we close daily as a BMS instead of a raid. So this Twitter idea is gone shit. So it didn't work out, and who cares? I mean, I'm not here to predict. I'm here to react and to adjust to what they do with price action. So it's all good. Now I'm gonna look for shorts, and I don't know, I need some sort of pullback to short, or we completely let's go to low time frame, or else we completely go down below this one, and then it's a short game, you know. If we do this, something like this, I don't know if we move so much today. Yesterday we moved enough, like 85 pips. So if we keep dumping, you know, maybe then we can look for shorts here, you know, something like that. This one become kind of mitigation block. Yeah, main goal is still this liquidity, which is kind of stupid. Okay guys, that's my plan. I want shorts, and let's see where we can get in. I will post more charts later, especially if in New York we see some news and price action. I will keep you posted, okay? That's enough for me for today. Speak to you later in the group. Bye.